Good morning all. Welcome to the second video for the chapter When the Earth Shook. In the last video, we learnt a bit about the tragedy of earthquake. Let us start with today's portion. Help arrives. For some days after that, people from the cities kept coming to see what had happened. They came with food, medicines, clothes. Everyone used to rush to take these things. The clothes that we got were very different. We never had worn such clothes before. People from different groups from the city helped us to put the tents. Staying in these plastic tents in cold winter months was very difficult. Imagine being without a house in cold weather. Fear and cold kept us awake in nights. All the time we were worried that there may be another earthquake. So the terror remains even after the tragedy. An earthquake is caused by a sudden slip on a fault. When the stress on the edge overcomes the friction, there is an earthquake that releases energy in waves that travel through the Earth's crust, caused the shaking that we feel. Some of these people were scientists. They tried to find out which areas have more chances of having an earthquake. So, the scientists belonging to the group were figuring out the earthquake-prone areas. People from our village talked to them many times. They had suggestions about building our houses again. Engineers and architects showed us some special designs for houses. They said that this designed houses would not get damaged much in an earthquake. But our people were afraid. They thought If these people built our houses, our village will not look like our old village. So the villagers thought that they would build their own houses with their help. The groups would build the village school. We all worked together to rebuild our village. Some people dug and brought the clay from the pond. We mixed the clay with cow dung and made large cakes. We put this on one another to make the walls. We whitewashed the walls and decorated them with beautiful designs and small pieces of mirrors. We put up the thatched roof. Now our houses shines like a diamond in dark night. That's a really great idea we all can apply. Earthquakes are usually caused when rock underground suddenly breaks along a fault. The sudden release of energy causes the seismic waves that makes the ground shake. So we can observe the seismic waves making the ground shake. The rocks are still pushing against each other but not moving. After a while, the rocks break because of all the pressure that's built up. Let us see some of the major causes or main causes of earthquakes. Volcanic eruptions. The main cause of the earthquake is volcanic eruptions. Next we have tectonic movements. Tectonic plates are very big pieces of stone lying beneath the surface of Earth. Their movement causes major tremors, producing seismic waves. The surface of the Earth consists of some plates comprising of the upper mantle. Geological faults. Another major reason for earthquakes is geological faults. A geological fault is known as the displacement of plates of their original plane. Man-made. Minor causes. So, these were some of the major causes of an earthquake. Activity for the day. Compare your house with that of Jasma. List in your notebook the materials that were used in making both the houses.